To start the treatment, we remove eye makeup. Here we're using the GERnétic Fibro Lotion. Continue the facial by cleansing the skin well. Here we're using a gentle cleansing milk from GERnétic called Glyco, but you can use whatever cleanser you wish. Once we've cleansed the skin well, we're going to wipe over with a toning lotion. Here we're using GERnétic Fibro Lotion again. Next, we're going to use the Nimue Exfoliating Enzyme. In this example, we're applying the exfoliating enzyme using a brush, but you can use your fingertips if you prefer. We then massage the skin for 10 minutes. The warmth from our hands is going to activate those enzymes and really encourage the exfoliation process. To follow, we're going to apply the Sequential Hydration Mask. This mask is beautifully rich in pre and postbiotics and your hyaluronic acid to nourish and hydrate the skin. To ensure the mask is sitting well, we can use a brush, and we're also going to apply some of that gel from the mask onto the neck. After 10 minutes, we remove the mask. We continue the treatment by applying eye gel. Here we're using a GERnétic eye gel. You can use any eye gel or eye cream of choice. Next, we're going to hydrate the skin. Here we're using GERnétic Cold Cream Mousse, which is beautiful for protecting the skin barrier. To complete the treatment, we're going to apply an SPF. Here we're using Nimue Sun C, which has an SPF of 50. Our treatment is complete.
Visit our website to claim your free trial pack or schedule a consultation or in-salon demonstration.